90-degree flat end mills are used for profiling, slotting, pocketing, and boring operations. A roughing end mill has serrated cutting edges for creating fine chips and reducing vibration. These end mills create a rough texture on the workpiece. A standard end mill can be used for roughing as well as finishing. This extra long high-speed steel end mill has 4 spiral flutes. A similar end mill with 2 flutes is also available. Unlike a roughing end mill, a standard end mill produces full-length chips and a smooth surface finish. Coated carbide end mills are more rigid and heat-resistant than high-speed steel cutters. Feeding the workpiece against the cutter rotation is known as conventional milling. This is recommended on manual machines. Feeding the workpiece in the same direction as the cutter rotation is known as climb milling. This can backdrive the lead screws and produce chatter marks in manual machines. As cutting speed increases, chips change from silver to straw-colored to dark blue. Solid carbide end mills coated with aluminum titanium nitride are recommended for cutting steel without coolant in CNC machines. In conjunction with climb milling, as demonstrated in this profiling operation, the heat-resistant coating can improve cutter life. Cutting a pocket begins by ramping the end mill into the workpiece. Ramping is recommended over plunging due to the improved evacuation of chips. Chip removal is also facilitated with the use of compressed air. Helical boring can be used to machine large holes without the use of drills or boring heads. Aluminum-specific end mills have shallow helix angles for aggressive cutting and fewer flutes for increased chip clearance. These end mills are coated with zirconium nitride, a hard coating with a very low coefficient of friction. As usual, coolant is recommended for cutting aluminum. Indexable cutters, such as the Glatzer EM90 end mill, use replaceable carbide inserts. They typically require more horsepower than solid carbide end mills, but can be more economical due to the low cost of inserts and can cut deeper pockets due to the increased rigidity of the larger diameter shank.